I hate it when a product is good but the packaging is bad. Anyway. Sanmarani Dumalang, hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. So I've had my soft locks now for plus minus a month and this is my scalp close up. As you can see, girl, no dandruff in sight on my scalp, and I would like to credit that to this routine I'm about to show you that I do once a week or twice a week depending on how my scalp feels. So you do not have access to your actual hair in this hairstyle. As you can see, my hair is not in sight, it's literally wrapped up in here. So the best thing that you can do is to look after your scalp, which is where your hair grows from. Let's get into this routine that I will show you just now. Very simple, very quick, that you can do at home. So the first step is going to be hydration, and for hydration we're going to use a scalp spray. If you do not have a scalp spray, honestly, normal H2O will suffice. Water with some essential oils in there if you want to. Otherwise, get yourself a hair and scalp spray. Something I started doing recently and I'm very happy. So I'm going to stay on the scalp spray side of life. These are the options that I have. There is this one by a brand called Ebony Shades. Then I have this one by Lady D Tress Boost. And I also have this one by Vida is Life. Now I like different things about these sprays. The Ebony Shades one has shea butter and jojoba oil in it, which is fantastic. I don't like that it's got fragrance. Then Lady D Tress Boost one has aloe and a whole lot of black castor oil. My scalp doesn't do well with black castor oil, but if you like black castor oil, this will be your girl. Now these two are fragranced and my skin is sensitive to fragrance, so I only use them when I have a hairstyle where I know that I'll be able to wash my scalp. This is not that kind of hairstyle. This one on the other hand is fragrance free, so I've been using this one for this particular hairstyle. As you can see, the packaging is failing as I'm reaching the bottom. I don't know what happened to the spray, but it's, you see, it kind of stops working. That's a bit frustrating. I hate it when a product is good but the packaging is bad. Anyway, it must be used. The next step would be to go in with a scalp oil. The options are the strengthening oil by My Natural Hair, this 8-in-1 oil by Ebony Shades. I absolutely love the amount of different oils that are mixed in here. Absolutely amazing. I don't like that it has fragrance yet again, but the blend of oils is brilliant. Lastly, we have this oil by Lady D Tress Boost. I love the inclusion of peppermint oil. I love to use peppermint oil on my scalp. Yes, I've said love a lot because these are my favorite ingredients. However, to be honest with you, I am not going to use oil on my scalp. I'm currently on a break or kind of some sort of experiment to see what will happen to my scalp if I just don't use oils. I find that I'm not sure if oils are actually absorbing into my scalp the way that they should, so I've just cut them out completely. I've been doing this now for maybe 3 or so months, and yeah, I'm going to continue with that. Anyway, most of the things I use, they have oils infused in there, so that is seeming to work better for me. However, if you're an oil girly, one of these will definitely be your friend. If you love castor oil, this one will be your bestie. There's a lot of castor oil used in here. What I use instead is a scalp serum. This is something that's relatively new to my routine. I just started using it a month ago. It was a gift from Ebony Shades. And yeah, it is the serum, hair serum. I'm obsessed with this product. I'm obsessed with it. That's just all you need to know. Let me tell you why. The ingredients. It has water, It has shea butter, it has glycerine. Of course, I don't like that it has perfume, but I'm willing to look past that. It has sunflower seed extract. It has ginseng root extract. It has biotin. It has niacinamide. Okay. The scalp is part of the skin. So what niacinamide does to your skin on your face, niacinamide does to your scalp too. So I love that there is so much consideration that went into the list of ingredients here. It is a proper scalp serum. So I dab some onto my hand and then I apply it straight onto my scalp. Just like that, very simple. I'm going to do that for the rest of my head. Now the next step is for you who struggles with itchy scalp, a flaking scalp, or just scalp pain. You would go in with this premium scalp soothing serum. This one is by Black Hair Redefined. This serum works. The last time I had braids, I was experiencing some itching. Have not had that issue with these locks, but when I had braids, I did experience that. And let me tell you, this thing 10 out of 10 saved my itching. It literally, as soon as I felt, and like, you can feel when the itch is starting to build up, I went in and used this. So it has a nozzle here. You simply open it like that, and then there is the spray. I'm just gonna spray it to demonstrate. So for me, this is the area where I usually experience itching, the crown of my head. You just go like this, and you pump it out, and then you massage it into that area. This, on the ingredients list, it has water, niacinamide, and a whole bunch of scientific ingredients. It has ginger roots, glycerine, citric acid, sodium citrate, menthol, sodium benzoate. I'm pretty sure these are all ingredients that have to do with the medical approach to scalp and whatnot. But point is, it does work. And then finally, we are going to look after our lovely hairline. Because we want a thriving hairline, okay? We want a hairline that is going to remain full, healthy, long, thick, and all things okay and proper and sharp. So I have here with me this one, Masodi Hairline Fortifying Serum. I have finished 2 bottles of this product. This is my 3rd bottle, which I have not opened yet. Currently not using it at the moment. I don't need it. But yeah, I believe in the serum, not just because of other people's reviews, but because I have actually used it and I have experienced a difference. Second option is the Premium Hairline and Hair Growth Serum. This one is by Black Hair Redefined. This also works really well. It also has my minoxidil in it, just like the Masodi one. I love that it also has the inclusion of castor oil. As much as I said my scalp is not a big fan of castor oil, but truly castor oil is an ingredient that does help with hair growth. And my hairline is an area that I wash every night when I'm doing my skincare routine, so it's okay for me to use. This I have particularly used on the nape area of my head, and I have experienced a difference there. This area is what I was trying to thicken. This is where I was particularly using this product by Black Hair Redefined. And since I have finished my 2nd bottle of the Masodi serum, I've also started using it on my hairline, and I can say that I like it, man. I like it. As you can see, I've used about 1/4 of the bottle, which shows you that I actually am using it.
got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. Forgot to love this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave it life, I gave my life, I won't run from you. I'll do what you want me to.
Just like that, we are done. The scalp is cared for, nourished, and this is a routine, like I said, that I suggest you do 1 to 2 times a week. It is very thorough, but honestly doesn't take too much time, but keeps your scalp healthy and nourished. If this helped you, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, I will catch you in my next one.